Well, hey, I'm here to fix some popcorn. There was a water leak upstairs. This is all a popcorn ceiling, and I have to cut it out, patch it, and repair it. So let me show you what I have. So I'll try to zoom in a little bit. You can see the water damage just comes way out here. All right. So it's pretty extensive. It's a pretty bad spot. I'm probably going to have to replace drywall and everything. I really don't know until I cut into it. But the first thing I have to do is mask it off. If you saw the blue tape up there, see the blue tape? I've got it set up so I can cover the walls. Because once I patch everything up, I can cover the walls up. I'm going to have to cover the walls. I'm going to have to put a wall across here, get the floor covered, get everything covered in here, because I'm going to spray popcorn on this to patch it all up. But let me go ahead and scrape this down. I'll see how severe the damage is, and then I'll get back to you. All right, we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so I got into this, and let me show you. It's all plaster. So I'm not cutting the plaster out, but all I'm going to do is I'm going to spray this down with a Zinger or a Kills to kill the stain. I'm going to coat the plaster here with the primer, so I can put some fiberglass mesh tape on there and give it a couple of coats, and then I'm going to retexture it. So let me get back to you after I get it primed and taped. If I don't prime this before I tape it, there's a good chance everything that I put on there is just going to fall right back off the ceiling, and I don't want that. So I definitely learned a long time ago that when I have a ceiling that looks like this, prime it. Just get a primer on there, seal it all up so everything's got something to adhere to. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I scraped it all down. I primed it all out. Let me show you. All primed now. I'm going to put fiberglass mesh tape, because this is all plaster, on all of these cracks. I'm going to put fiberglass mesh tape all over these cracks then, and I'm going to coat it a couple of times with 5, and then I'm just going to re-popcorn it. So let's see I'll show you what it looks like after I get it all taped. All right, so I put some Durabond on it. Take a look. It's nice and smooth now. I'm going to popcorn it with this. I don't know if it'll work or not. I've never used it before, never done this before. Anytime I've ever popcorned, I've used a hopper and a pattern pistol and a compressor. That's the only way I've ever popcorned. I've never used a spray can before. So let's see what happens. I'll see you in a bit. All right. I got it all popcorned. It's all done. Actually, it doesn't look all that bad. I'm kind of surprised. It's all behind me. Let me see if I can't flip this around. Does it look exactly like the other stuff? No. But you know what? It blended in fairly good. A lot of this stuff is going to shrink up because it's just wet right now. Other than that, it's 100 times better than what it used to look like. With all of the water damage, you shouldn't have any more stains coming through. And truthfully, I do believe if they ever go to sell this house, nobody's even going to notice this was even done. So you guys have a great day. We'll see you later. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better. The camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.